This is winter caravanning. There we are, look. What's on theme park? There's a whole host of things going on here. A lot happening. Didn't expect any of this. This is a Christmas shop. Ever look in there on the way back? Yeah, get the dog walked first. Never seen that, look. Community coat rack. It's honesty at its best, isn't it? Hopefully. Well, we're going to get going to stretch the dog's legs first.
It's lovely out there, isn't it?
And lots of wildlife out there today. Hello and welcome back. We're out and about again. We're at one of our little close by favourites,
Ferry Meadows.
just for a few days, midweek, coming up to Christmas. So I don't think we've ever been away this late in the year, have we?
No, I don't think so. October are normally our latest.
Yeah, but I'm really enjoying it. I think it's really good. We are blessed with good weather though.
We are
reasonable
today
weather.
anyway.
Yeah. But what do you think? What do you think about off-peak caravanning, camping, motorhoming, I suppose? Just to be away all of the time, as much as you can throughout the year. It's not just about summertime, is it?
No. It proves it this week. It's been lovely.
Yeah. But we'll ask you guys, what do you think? Drop us a comment. Are you just fair weather summertime campers, or for whatever reason, or do you get out and about throughout the year? Be interested to find out what other people do, isn't it?
Well, yeah, I think I've been watching some of our followers recently they're getting about. They're getting about in the winter time.
Yeah.
There's a few of them.
Yeah. I mean, we've come to the club site at Ferry Meadows primarily because we had some vouchers to use up, but we're pleasantly surprised in that there's a lot going on here. There's a big helicopter coming somewhere. I don't know whether you can hear that. There's a lot going on, isn't there? There's stages and all sorts of amusement things and Christmas related things down there at the visitor centre, but I'm not sure whether that's really in full swing until the weekend, so we might not get to see that.
No.
But yeah, there's one or two on site, isn't there?
There is, yeah. More motorhomes, I think, than there is caravans this time.
Yeah,
but,
probably, but yeah, I don't think we'll do a full site tour and all the rest of it because we've done that a couple of times at Ferry Meadows. We're just gonna
take you on our walks.
Yeah, we are currently halfway around the sailing lake, and with any luck, you know what I'm going to say, do you?
I know what you're going to say. You want cake and coffee.
I didn't think you'd ever ask. Yes, please.
He did have sausage.
They don't need to know what I had for lunch.
Sausage sandwiches, and then he had a piece of iced coffee cake, followed by a mince pie.
Well, you can't. You got to eat these things. You can't let them go off. They might have gone out of date.
They definitely won't go out of date.
I can't see the point in buying them and leaving them in the cupboard.
I can't see the point in buying them and you eating them before even the end of the week.
And I need all my energy for these walks.
I know.
Yeah.
That's true.
Right, we'll carry on and we might get to have a cup of coffee.
We'll see.
Yeah, we will. Right, see you in a bit.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Hot chocolate. So he refrained from having a cake, but he has got cheese scones and butter, and obviously his mocha. He loves his mocha. There you go. And my hot chocolate's nearly gone because it's always a bit cool. She's here though. And there's my boat, obviously, making the whining noise as she normally does. So yeah, we are sitting on the lakeside in the sailing club, the cafe. It's very nice. It's a lovely day today. So yeah, very good. Oh, missed that.
Merry Christmas. Well, that's our 3 hours walking. Done?
2.5 done.
Oh, sorry, 2.5, been corrected. We're back on site. Reception all lit up, very seasonal. There's a few more today, aren't there?
And we're now going to walk down to ours, but on the way to ours we will show you the very Christmassy one. How about that then? Full of Christmas joy.
Yeah.
Very nice too.
Merry Christmas all.
Merry Christmas all. They got lights inside, haven't they?
Yeah.
How nice is that? Oh wow! Look at that.
Here's us.
Yeah, we haven't got our lights on yet.
They come on in a little while.
What?
They come on in a little while.
Yeah.
Well, that's us. We're done.
Yeah.
We've had 4 days here at Ferry Meadows. Just a midweek break. I've actually really enjoyed it. It's really been nice. We've been lucky with the weather, haven't we?
We have. It's been really mild.
Yeah.
And there's been lots of activity up at the
Yes, up at the visitor centre. Yeah, we walked up there last night. We tried filming it, but in such low light, we'll put a bit in, or we will have put a bit in.
Yeah.
But they don't come out that well. But it's just nice to see people enjoying Christmas. All the kids singing. It's good. Very good.
lovely, yeah.
So we're just packing up nice and early because we've got to get a couple of dogs back out of the kennels before lunchtime. So it's just about doable unless we get stuck in traffic. Just had a nice chap, Alan, subscriber, come up and say hello. So hi to Alan. Thanks for watching. Thanks to the rest of you for sticking with us, and well, I guess we'll see him in the new year now.
Yes, hope to go away in January for a couple of days to Sandringham.
Yeah.
Our local.
Yeah. So to all of you subscribers and those who aren't anyway, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yes, Merry Christmas.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Do what? Last minute checks. Here's our girlies, ready for the journey home. They've just been for a lovely run over the field. Aren't you girls, hey? You going home? See the other girls? Hey? Daddy's now getting the wheels up. Or the legs up, I should say. Last minute check, as always.
Just like make sure them rams are up.
I know. Okay, up in. It's all done. One job for me to do now, and that'll be check the lights.
Good, 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 good. Just a right spot, I shan't be able to see you.
I'll do my best at shouting.
Take the motor movers off, don't forget that. Or we end up with a messy tyre.
No. Yep. Yep. Yes. This is where he goes really forward, and then I'll have to run and catch him up.